Hi guys, Friday. We going pick up another macaws on our way to save some birdies. Bye.
We have two new beautiful babies. We're not sure if it's a boy and a girl, or two boys or two girls. So tomorrow will be the day that we're gonna do the blood test. We're also gonna take a look at the beaks and under the wings to make sure that they're okay. One of them looks like missing feathers, and looks like her right foot hurt. So we're gonna take a look at it tomorrow. We don't want to scare them too much today.
Yeah, after a long trip.
Yeah.
Yeah, something is going on in the right foot, but
Oh, we'll be good. We're gonna take care of you, baby.
it's no blood, but it's something. But we find out tomorrow. Yes.
Well, we'll take care of you.
Yeah, you're so pretty. Yes, we're talking about you. Yeah, nice.
We're also gonna take some blood work for the viruses and stuff.
Yeah, beak and feathers.
Tomorrow will be a busy day.
And shower. Shower. The important thing is shower. Okay. Bye-bye.
Oh, yes, you're so beautiful. Here, you want to step up? There you go. Good boy.
All right.
Hey, that's the first shower.
Yeah. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. All right. Big. Yeah. All right. Yes. Yeah. So good. Yeah. This is it. Yeah. Nice, fresh.
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Does it feel good?
Yeah. Oh yeah. So good. Yeah.
I can see your feathers. Let me see.
Good morning, friends. This is our first day with new residents of our sanctuary. We bring them last night, long trip, yes. They stay with us forever. This is forever home. So welcome them, and we now show you how we trim the beak and nails. Okay, now we take a sample for the test. Yeah, this is a blood.
Yes, all is good. Everything looks good. Yeah. You're good, you're good. Can I see? Beautiful, yes. Beautiful. It's okay. You're good. You're good, baby. Yes. Beautiful. Let me see. Let me see. Yes, it's good. It's all good. You're good. Yes, you are. You're good. You're good. You're good, baby. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you're missing a lot of feathers. Yeah.
But they're growing back.
They will.
We give you some good stuff.
Good food.
And
Lots of love.
and you'll be
Yes.
good again. Yes.
Yeah. We're good. You're good, baby. You're good. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl.
All right. After shower, we're going outside to Florida room for quarantine. We need to wait for a week, maybe 10 days, for results from the blood test, and then we put them to the friends and big aviary. All right, come on, Lulu. It's your turn. Come on, come on, girl. Yeah, come on, step up. Come on. Yeah, come on. Yes, good girls. Yeah, come on. Now step up. Come on. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, come on. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Come on. Yeah, I know. You're scared. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh yes, come on. Yes. Ha ha ha. Ah, look at this boy. Okay, okay. Go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Yeah. It's nice outside. 73 degrees. Beautiful Florida weather. Sunny.
You love the sun? Do you love the sun? Yes, now you can dry. Yeah. Hi, baby. Yeah. Hope your feathers will grow back really fast. Yeah, and all will be good.
Oh, hi. Can you show me your wings? Yes, beautiful. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Who is here? Hello. Hi. Yeah. Oh, yes. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Ha. Gorgeous. Show me one more time. Show me. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes. Dakota.